Welcome back! Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. We've got the BLACK+DECKER steam mop on the left and the NuGo steam mop on the right. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Let's kick things off with price. The BLACK+DECKER is a wallet-friendly $49. Perfect for budget-conscious shoppers. Reviewers praise its affordability, calling it a great value for the price. In contrast, the NuGo comes in at $119, which some users feel is justified given its features. However, many agree that if you're looking to save money, BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. Next up is heating time. The BLACK+DECKER heats up in just 30 seconds, which users love for its quick readiness. Reviewers have noted that this speed is a significant advantage, especially for quick cleanups. On the other hand, the NuGo takes longer to heat up, but reaches a high temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Users appreciate the effectiveness of this high heat, but it requires a bit more patience. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The BLACK+DECKER is praised for its versatility on sealed surfaces, making it a go-to for many users. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in lifting dirt and spills easily. Meanwhile, the NuGo offers adjustable steam modes, which users love for tackling different types of stains. Reviewers say it can handle everything from delicate hardwood to stubborn grime, making it a powerful option for various cleaning needs. Moving on to cord length, the BLACK+DECKER has a 12 feet cord, which some users find limiting, as they've mentioned in their reviews. However, the NuGo offers a whopping 23 feet cord, giving it a significant advantage in reach. Reviewers appreciate this extra length, as it allows for more freedom while cleaning without constantly changing outlets. And speaking of versatility, the NuGo doubles as a handheld steam cleaner with 10 accessories. Users are thrilled with this feature, allowing them to clean everything from floors to toys. In contrast, BLACK+DECKER is more straightforward. While it gets the job done for mopping, it lacks the multifunctionality that NuGo brings to the table. Lastly, let's discuss user-friendliness. The NuGo features an adjustable height, making it easier on the back, which reviewers have found to be a great ergonomic feature. The BLACK+DECKER has a swivel head for maneuverability, but some users have mentioned that it can lead to moving furniture instead of cleaning around it. Overall, NuGo gets high marks for ease of use. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER steam mop is highly regarded for its affordability and quick heating, making it a favorite for budget-conscious users. However, it does have some limitations, particularly in cord length and functionality. On the other hand, the NuGo steam mop is celebrated for its versatile cleaning options and user-friendly features, though it comes with a higher price tag. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So which steam mop should you buy? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done quickly, go with the BLACK+DECKER. But if you want a powerhouse with all the bells and whistles, the NuGo is your best bet. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.